When PVSYST is not activated, this dialog pops up at program start. Get your activation key and click on the Activate button. Enter your activation key in the input field and then click on the Activate button. If this message is shown, PVSYST is now correctly activated. If not, please refer to the corresponding PVSYST help section to get more details about the error. Your license information is displayed here. PVSYST always displays its current activation status in the main screen title bar. If PVSYST is unable to access the Internet, you can proceed to a manual activation. Click on Online Activation to access the PVSYST Online Activation Center. Enter your activation key and complete the CAPTCHA. Click on the Download License button. Once the license has been downloaded, go back to PVSYST and click on Load License File. If this message is shown, PVSYST is now correctly activated. Your license information is displayed here.